Whether it's the big companies or the small companies, the fundamental question they have when they have engaged me is the same. How do we get value out of data and analytics and AI? The size, complexity, and scale might change, but the fundamental question the big companies and the small companies having is the same. So if you look at the companies which have done well, the successful ones in my experience are the ones where there is strong senior management support. The management knows that we need to be behind the team. That's number one. Next, number two, there is a strong use cases. That means there is a kind of impact about why we are doing this project. So just to give you an example, there's a logistic company which I worked in Seattle, and the team was very clear. We want to say how we can improve the margins and how data analytics can help us. So in that case, it was very clear for us that everything we do, it's on the customer, it's on the product, it's on pricing. So the use cases which we are building are very specific to that kind of domains which affects that growth or profitability. So that's would be number two. Number three is about a strong system of record so that we know this is the place to go and get the data. So, for example, if there are 100 different definitions of a customer in 10 different systems, then it becomes very difficult for us to capture the right entity, for example. So, the most of the companies which have done well are having a system of record. As I work for a big CPG company which is based in the US, and I worked in Europe division. And one of the things they had was a consistent master data management, master data records for the critical elements, customers, vendors, GL accounts, and everything. So there is a strong system and a strong process as well, which is governance. That would be number three. And number four, which I said earlier, is about the skills. People know how to use those skills. Just because you have data doesn't mean that you will get performance. Like for example, I've said if you give diamond to a monkey, for example, it's you never know what the monkey is going to do with the diamond. It has to be given to the right person as well. So you have good quality data, but it has to be given in the right hands. Because if untrained or unqualified people use the data, it can quickly become into a liability, which can become very hard to manage as well. So the successful companies, which I've said, are the ones which have strong management support, good use cases, strong technology and governance processes, and lastly, good people with the right skills and capabilities to use it. So that's what I would say would be the successful companies.